the best pork belly that I've ever made. I think I can literally see flames in there right now. Alrighty folks, the plan for today is to make our grocery run, set up camp, and then get cracking on our meal. Yaki udon with glazed pork belly. Hey, look at Meeka, we can go inside now. Come on. There we go. Nice, Meeka's home is officially up. I think I can literally see flames in there right now. Yeah. Can you see that? There's like flames coming out the top of that thing. Turn this down a little bit because this could get so hot it could damage the tent. Doesn't need to be that hot. Dear Lord. Tent is tenting. Stove is stoving. Very, very aggressively. It's already 5 o'clock. The sun is supposed to set around 5:15, but it's getting cold. It's getting dark. Come on. Kick you out for a little bit. You can come back. Go get some fresh air. Oh, that's not good. I jacked that up hardcore. What do you think, Meeka? I don't think that was the right idea, huh? Okay, we're actually gonna just go set it outside in the snow. Now it's absolutely freezing in here. That's kind of scary. That was a little scary. The fire went out. I'll have to restart that later. Because right now, baby, we got some Yaki Udon that almost cost us the entire tent, everyone's life. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this bowl. And to drink, I have some jasmine tea. Yaki Udon at like 12 o'clock midnight. Cheers. This is the best pork belly that I've ever made, though. Kimchi in there. It's nice. I'm also gonna sleep like a rock because I am friggin' exhausted, man. If you've never had Yaki Udon, you gotta go get it. Maybe just go find a local restaurant if it's too intimidating to make. Man, this is something else.
Don't talk, just follow my lead. My blood for the Empire! Stay where you are, thief!
Meeka, where'd your legs go? Strawberry Zen tea with a little bit of honey in it. Kind of tastes like a strawberry Pop-Tart, and it's delicious.
I've been tracking their ages in the Imperial.
And yeah, they got a little fire going. Meeka's keeping me warm. And I'm gonna hit the rack, guys. Okay. The hardest part of getting out of bed and camping is freaking unzipping the zipper on your sleeping bag. This one specifically is not the greatest. Come on. There we go. Okay, so hopefully my boots are finally dry here. Oh yeah, nice and dry. All right, folks, for breakfast, 2.5 eggs, sausage, and some toast. It's good. Today's mug is a silhouette of the Upper Peninsula. I definitely want to do some trips up that way. So I gotta walk back to get the Ranger because Rose had to use it this morning. Walking's cool and all, you know, it's healthy or whatever. But you know what's way more fun than this? Woo-hoo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm talking about. All right. The fastest way to pack up a tent.
Nice shot.
Nice. Oh my goodness. Meeka, what are you doing up there? Meeka, what are you doing on the Ranger, Meeka? Is this your ride? I like it. Do you want help getting down? All right, come on. There you go. There you go, huh? Good camp out. I liked it. It was fun. It's like we were never here. Yeah, besides this thing. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching the show. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next Saturday. Say bye, Meeka. All right. See you Saturday. Yay, Meeka, we did it. We did the outro.